What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to make your iPhone keyboard click sound louder or quieter. First, if you want to adjust the keyboard click sound on your iPhone, the key setting to change is located in the Settings app. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Sounds and Haptics. This menu allows you to adjust various audio and feedback settings on your iPhone. To control the volume of the keyboard click sound, you'll need to adjust the ringer and alert slider. Drag the slider to the right to increase the volume or to the left to lower it. By default, this volume may also be tied to the physical volume buttons on your iPhone. If you don't want the volume buttons to affect the keyboard click sound, toggle off the Change with Buttons option under the ringer and alert section. Disabling this ensures that your keyboard sound stays consistent, regardless of how you adjust the volume buttons for media or other sounds. Once you've set the slider to your desired level, test it out by typing on your keyboard. Open an app like Messages or Notes, and you should notice that the keyboard click sound is now louder or quieter based on your adjustments. If it's still too loud or not loud enough, you can always go back into Sounds and Haptics and tweak the setting again. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.